to me, the man I married, I import shoe. I know him as somebody in LA, men's shoe, and don't watch a homo boy. So, but I didn't know that no way, although men's shoe con LA, no way, another thing on them. And beside that 2011, I did go my show at least. Mogolu, my early 20s, which is 24, then 23, 24. So I'm to go me here. So one fateful day, although sometimes he would just travel. I lost my father in 2026. So immediately I lost my father. It was as if, in fact, I was into hellfire. Nobody, as this man started maltreating me. I was just hiding everything from my mom because even my stepbrother himself, they started behaving somehow towards all of a sudden. Hamatazan, although my mom, but that one does not concern this story. So I couldn't even confide in him. And my only brother, my mom, so nobody to talk to. I was just bearing everything, the beating, the every little thing. I don't blame you. Namjiki, we bilego, nejim bilego, this and kuto kuko parent business. Also, na business. After all, my father need disturb ya makia. When I want kitty all this while, now my father anosia. Na ma agwakwana you anything business or anything education again because na nejim bilego na me kwesidi didn't make any demand. I will still keep quiet. We take going nowhere. And when anything. My husband had never for one day go nyem sim jezurakwa. Even a lot of people, the friends say, some friends that and say, why is your wife looking like this? No. Now, for some of his friends said, some of them, the thing and I was here, the Hagan on Niru, Baba, Nirum Babariamba, say, not the wicked, you could normally chanwa, Hama, or told him one tire. Say again in our able nurse to Nuzu Kana fear. Hakuchapana, Omwaka, fear. So, but that one is by the way. So, fast forward to 2011. Yeah, me travel because sometimes I may travel now. Yeah, my to Yakwadu Gaba here, no man. To Iga have some shop na Mandilas, Lagos Island. So, from there, always again the night, boy, abate alone, Manfuze, Yawa, Yasimuna, always after 2 days, Yabo, Senior, me travel, what's wrong, Yaga, China, no China, or Senior, no Dubai. So, we kept on living like that. And I'm watching again now for help. Right. So, that 2011, yeah, me travel. My last baby was a year plus that time. Yeah, me travel to see them. 1 week I didn't hear from him. So later, if you walk up Simu Namanu, I me neji oba my ex-husband, sineji kwa yeji na one of his boy na bu obu or weba waya na for. So from the Hanemeze, na was on transit na Dubai. So body pass from the body pass Dubai. I notice they had the demand now for from the camera. I notice going for two of them together from theirs. And what is that where my husband? What is it? Ahi Kenari and what the way was the alone in Gang over one for. By the time you love no man, I kidney the guy affected, but he was saved anyways. So yeah, by nga na Dubai. So never na gap Malaysia, but na Dubai. So Omehanwa. Abo uzie ya imeduto na the man confess no one be here the guy it's number one for confess no one be here bunye kwanya de ahia so obabuzie ime ko babu ima in that no any name and I'm anything about business and because Okwero he refused to me coming close to his business boy na abo mwezi then leko everything was so shop ya this na ima and the madonna be for it na simule ya difference ya even my yawa on a phone simule ya kamwelega kamono mas when I survive. As of then, somebody she go get in a Lagos Island 3 million. Then come we know she somebody near me 1.5. So maybe check and Simba. So in the process of go show the country book and let the person matters the person she go ya matters na fashola show it demolish everywhere. So also na demolish so the person he goes there. But in Lagos Island, imagine Maya Helia because I was hoping that Obata anytime Mosilo prison Bata go start their life. But I did not tell him, even his car. Also, I may refuse to lay but Awamia. Him is Nanga Chotolo na Catholic school na lo as nanny because his only school sat come so man lose as nanny na daycare. In the process of lose as nanny, the Reverend Father in charge of the school noticed that now, even though I wasn't a teacher, but I was impacting on those children more than even a teacher. So the Reverend Father said, why not some part-time program? ka m nwee ike ịbụ teacher ka a na-akwụnite m ụgwọ because as of then ha na-akwụ m bụ 15,000 but akwụcha m ya the father add alụ m 5,000 nye m nwa 20 but the others ndị mụ na ha na-alụkọ 15 because I was doing a lot even though I was in daycare but na-abịakwa na-teach all these nursery even lower primary na-teach a lot of things even in assembly so the father was impressed. So the man said, "I'm not having head in my education. Man, cut my story small. Son, my husband in my problem. That's why I'm like I'm only feeding my children. So the thing would tell us okay, I'm going form. My Gapana Deniro College of Education, form. The father Quaramu enroll them. Maybe those year part time. So maybe the man studied by English social studies. So you is able every month. I'm a wepo obelego from my account. I'm only one day tuition fee. Achekwa yemezia. Yeah, I desire ego from Kahe weapon my salary. If it is not enough, then quarrel. So here I can make the zoo. No worry, I'm not survive. Need training for my children. I have to withdraw them from bigger school and things and a small school I could afford. So call but I spent their 4 years in the prison. So yeah, about in 2015. Call but a different human being came back to me. In fact, one name Afum Health. So call but from prison. A man visited or something working a Hannibal Matana meeting at prison. I was taking care of him, taking care of my husband as well. So Kobata, he was like, why the Komatas Namelero the shop, Namelero the or somehow I will survive. May explain to us and alone. So they're all happy. He even stayed the first thing on around my phone, my SIM card, use beer. Similar for me too. Not selling all those things and we are surviving. These children are okay. It shows that when we're working on one place, na sponsor it's no problem. So yeah, he used my SIM card for more than 1 year before he had released Eremia because that kind of phone call on Ozea. Even all his friends, many of them will want to sleep. I will leave the money with them. I won't even tell him because I don't want him to be there and be feeling bad. So I was just hustling on my own. I know the thing. So in spite of teaching, I was still alone with the bank that time for cleaning in the evening every Friday. I would go for that cleaning. 8,000. I was adding it to take care of my children. So after the man be there with us, so before Martin and before Martin and this man that his friend they treat them otua one gesina as a munye di madu gesina treat him madu. He became a rival to me. Everything together. Make everything together. My husband, if every little thing, one day sim man will get a big rap na or sim na at least na go matured na make go at least my brother G by Motalia Umazi. Sim no more here, number one channel here, Jiwan because I am noticed here, you can matured, with all those things, at least I go matured, can be achieved our as in life together. For the past 15 years in be with him, I never for one day enjoy no wine as enjoy it. I never knew that as Namami Hana enjoy my own is always pain because you will see Memia and the chokwe biano utoge si memiaka emotu anwa beast this me anti afujurumanya omecha me pains